Windfall! Boanerges, we run, we win. This is your friend James. I gotta talk to you about a revelation God gave me. Yes, God gave me about caffeine. It was great because I had drunk some, and it was time for lunch, and I wasn't actually thirsty. Wasn't actually hungry. I wasn't hungry for caffeine, to eat lunch because I drunk some caffeine. Something actually is a Mio's energy bottle thing, and God showed me, the Lord reminded me, hey, listen, guys. It was lunchtime and I was not hungry. So I do believe one reason a lot of people get sick is because if you wake up in the morning and drink your caffeine, and then you're not hungry because you got all this energy. And then lunchtime, you're not hungry. Then about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, caffeine is great, but you still got to eat. Caffeine gives you lots of energy. It makes you feel like you're going and doing stuff. When it doesn't make you, it really actually gives you energy to do what you need to do because you got the energy to do it. But you must put nourishment into your body, because if you don't, then your body dehydrates because your body's doing caffeine, which is a good way to lose weight. You can drink caffeine an hour before you eat. That is actually very, very good. I'm talking about this has low this has 19 grams of sugar in the whole thing. I'm referring to not one of those energy drinks that have 2,000 grams of sugar. No, I'm kidding. But something that's like a lot of that. But it's very good for a great weight loss agent. But you must eat nourishment to survive. Your body needs food. You have to eat breakfast. You have to eat lunch. You have to eat dinner. If you want to lose weight, you can do 1 hour before, breakfast and dinner or whatever, lunch and dinner. You can do that with caffeine. But if you drink caffeine and you got that energy, yay, and you're doing stuff, and then you get tired and, people have that crash, if they're not eating, and then you get the idea. So, then people just go and they go for days and days and days. And then next thing you know, they're not really eating and they're not getting their calories that they need to survive in their body, and then they will actually get sick. But I got lots of energy. What happened? You're not feeding your body. So make sure you eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner, or breakfast and dinner, or whatever God shows you for your thing. But do not rely solely on caffeine, because you will not be putting nourishments into your body if all you're drinking is caffeine. So the caffeine makers and the energy people, they're making it so you can have energy. But guess what? The main focus, the main point, the main source of your energy for the physical body is God. But the human spirit, but you must eat. Eating will give you the energy that you need to perform. So you don't want to get hooked on caffeine. Make sure that you always eat. So while you can enjoy your coffee, but make sure you eat, because your coffee, unless it's fortified with vitamins, minerals, and protein, probably is not your best yet. I talked enough about that. I done enough talking. You get the point. Live with me. Love ya.